How to check recipient account number or Remitly. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can check recipient account number on Remitly. The first step is to sign in into your Remitly account just like I have done here. And then once you're on your account, you can see some options at the top part of the screen which include send money, transfer history, refer friends. Then once you can see all of this, the next step is to move to the top right corner of the screen where you can see the welcome option. Click on it, and in the box displayed you can see several options too. Ensure you select settings. So after selecting settings, you'll be taken to the settings page where you would see some options by the left side of the screen, which include profile information, notifications, recipients, payment methods, etc. Just go ahead and click on recipients. So after clicking on recipients, you would see your recipients here being displayed. All right, so once you can see your recipient, just go ahead and move to the right side of the screen and click on edit. So after clicking on edit, you'll be brought to the page where you'd see more information about the recipient, such as the phone number, the name, the email address, the home address, the reason for sending the money. So checking through all of this, you would see that the account number is not being displayed, right? So just go ahead and click on save. And then once the information has been updated, move to the right side of the screen here and then click on send money. All right. Then after clicking on send money, you will go to the send money page. So on this page, type out the amount that you'd like to send and then click on continue, and then automatically you'll be directed to the sender's details since you already selected the recipient. Now for you to now check out the account number, you can just keep on clicking on the back option until you get to the point where the account number was requested. So once you get to this point, you can just locate the recipient's bank details by either requesting it from the recipient himself or herself, or by getting it from wherever means where you got it from. Paste it in here and then click on continue, and then from there you can now go ahead and send money to the recipient. Now for further information, you can go ahead to contact the customer support and move to the top right corner of the screen. Click on the welcome option, click on help, and then once you're on the helps page, you can now go ahead to ask your question, which is how to send money, how to check recipient's bank details. Just go ahead, tap it out, and then you'll be directed on what to do. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching and have a good day.